Let's dive in and see what the SmartBuild integration plugin will do for you in your business. So here we have a new web lead that just came in. We've reached out to this customer and discovered that this is indeed a lead, a qualified lead, ready to estimate. So we're going to move this lead. We're going to drag this lead over to qualified post frame. We're going to drop it right in there. And by doing that, this is automatically going to trigger some workflows that are set up in the back end. I've marked this lead as one, which what that means on this side is the lead is qualified. Anything under all new leads is qualified. When we come over here to post frame, since that lead is qualified, we now have a new opportunity here under quote preparation. And when this opportunity comes in here under quote preparation, we automatically start a job in SmartBuild. Let's dive in and see how that looks. Okay, we're going to come over into our SmartBuild, and right here we can see that this job was started right here. We're going to click on Edit. It starts with a template, a pre-loaded template in SmartBuild. The customer actually wants a 60 by 120 and only 14 feet tall. Now we have our 60 by 120. We add in all the doors and windows, design this building exactly the way that the customer wants it. Now we want to lock in that pricing because we've given this to the customer. They're not ready to make the decision right now. We want to lock in that pricing. In order to do that, we're going to click on Make Quote up here at the top of the page. Do you want to save the changes first? Yes. It's going to save those changes. It's going to lock in all the pricing. The building size is a 60 by 120 by 14 feet tall. The price on this building is $93,081.99. So when we mark this as quoted, here's what's going to happen. It is going to send over the size of this building as well as the price of this building back over into your CRM system. Let's dive in and take a look at that. So we're going to go back into the CRM system, and right here you can see this is the one that was right here. Carolyn Miller, 60 by 120, 14 feet tall. The price is $93,081.99. Now, obviously, this here is a dashboard of your CRM system, and you can move your deals along. We've presented it to the customer. So I move it over here because we've done that. Move it into the follow-up. You move this project all along the way. It does not matter where in the process that it is here. It's going to stay updated. Now, the customer is ready to purchase the building. We're going to come back into our SmartBuild. Customer signs the contract, gives us the deposit that's necessary. We're going to come up, we're going to make this as a contract. We've now contracted this building with the customer. The job is going to remain locked. We're going to say, yes, we want to do that. We're going to lock this in. So now that this building, 60 by 120 by 14, is contracted with the customer, let's dive over into the CRM system and see what we see over there. Now you can see right here the total price for the building, whatever we sold it for, remains right here. And this opportunity is now marked won with this customer. And this is how the integration works between both softwares. You can also requote any projects that need requoted, and it stays right along with this card.